Welcome to OOKAS Unboxing. Today we're gonna unbox Totolink 11 AC. This is a dual band wireless USB adapter, which means it can connect to both 2.4 and 5 GHz frequency. So now let's see what's inside the box. So we have installation CD to install drivers and manuals. We have two antennas to install on the adapter itself. This is the adapter itself. If you're looking for quick and affordable upgrades on your Wi-Fi card, you can actually try out these wireless USB adapters, and not forgetting the USB cable. Now, this is an AC1200 model from Totolink that supports MU-MIMO. So if your router has MU-MIMO, which means multi-user, multi-in, multi-out capabilities, you'll be able to get optimized speed from it. As it is a dual band adapter, it can connect to both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequency, which the 5 GHz can provide you a better Wi-Fi experience. Now, you also take note that this is the latest wireless standard AC adapter, which is 3 times faster than wireless N, which is the previous generation. Here's how it works. Installing it together is really easy. All you need to do is just to take out the antennas and put them together onto the adapter, and you're pretty much done. Now, let's take a look at other feature that it has. It actually comes with a WPS button, which can connect instantly to your router as long as you press WPS on your router too. Isn't it convenient? Now let's take a look at the USB port. Notice the SS label. This is a super speed USB 3 port, which provides 10 times faster than your regular USB 2.0. Now you need to take note that make sure to plug in this USB cable into your blue colored USB port on your laptop, PC or any other devices for maximum speed. So let's move on to the testing. So in this test, I'm testing with an old laptop with wireless N card. I'm also on UniFi 300 Mbps. So technically speaking, I won't be able to achieve the same speed. I want to find out that if I'm using an AC USB adapter, will I be able to get a better speed compared to what I have before with the old generation card. So let's move on with the speed test. So in the speed test, I'm able to get 80 Mbps currently with 50 Mbps upload. Now let's try the Totolink model. This is a USB adapter. It is fairly simple to install and set up. All you need to do is just to install the driver and plug and play. Now as we move on with the testing, notice how my download speed doubled just by using this adapter. I am now getting 160 Mbps on download on the same network. Upload speed remains the same at 50 Mbps. Well, that's pretty much about Totolink 11 AC dual band USB adapter. We will see you guys next time.